2002 Chevy Avalanche with got some really beautiful rims on it. Nice red color. What else? It's a Chevy. What's your favorite car, Timmy? Mine. It's still a Chevy. You see the smile? I swear. Anyways, what we got done on it, we put them two high flow cats there and there. Then it wires into a single there. Then we put them, where's the box? Vibrant 18-inch body there, muffler. Then usually comes with a dual outlet into a single from the muffler for some reason on these. So you cut it off, you make an angle pipe and you put it there, as you guys can see, into a 3-inch pipe. And he's got the aftermarket tip right there. That's what I'm talking about on the muffler. As you guys can see, it comes single end, dual outlet like that. Much better. Give it gas. Again. Got that crackle pop. The hotter, the warmer it gets, the deeper it becomes. There's sound decibels on it. Again. He said he's getting the build fixed next. Chevy Avalanche with a vibrant and high flow kits. And then snowflakes. Off you go, beast mode! An avalanche is coming without any snow.